Hello, Sushikins! So tonight is a review. We're having hot dogs. My dad has a chocolate quill. So let's eat a bite of my hot dog.
Oh, he's talking to somebody.
He's recording a food video.
How is that, Andy?
Oh, that's so good.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Can you taste the
Is that going
charcoal?
on YouTube?
Kind of,
Kind of.
High quality.
but
His eyes aren't
that's so
even
good. Sushi good. Sushi good.
Dog tastes good.
You guys,
Let's bring Aunt Cindy into this.
my sushi skins are awesome. Thank you for my videos, guys. You guys are awesome.
making a video.
Well, that's what he wants to
You guys are best sushi skins. You guys want to video? Comment below because I just ridiculous. I do this food review. So thank you for watching, guys. Please smash that like button and leave a comment below in the comment section and smash that subscribe button.
It's an inside joke.
And smash that notification bell to see how many I have. And please follow me on YouTube. Also YouTube. Tell the kids to
Video
YouTube.
shop?
Tell the kids to YouTube. And smash that subscribe button. And follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Substack. I got see what's for you. Seriously, yeah!